Craft Smasher, and today we are going to be coding with Python with Visual Studio. So today we're just going to learn some of the basics of Python. So the first thing that you want to do is download Visual Studio. There will be a link down in the description. So go ahead and download that now. Watch this video, and you should get some of the basics of Python. So in this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to make it say stuff and so we're going to make your first program, and we're going to ask you questions. So to make your first program, what I want you to do is do print, and then inside of quotation marks and parentheses, I want you to put hello world. And that is your first ever program. So when we click start, we have something open, and it says hello world. You can actually put whatever you want here, not just hello world. You can do like hello anything. I'm just going to do tree maybe. And we'll say hello tree. There we go. And you don't have to use Visual Studio, but there might be some wrong things in it because Visual Studio has a lot of things already installed. So we're going to make it ask you a question now. So first what we're going to do is name equals, then we're going to put input, and inside of quotation marks and parentheses, we are going to put what is your name. Then we're going to put a colon and a space. You can put whatever you want in there. Just asking you something, your name. And now we're going to go 2 down, or how many you want. We're going to do print, and inside of parentheses and quotation marks, we're going to put hello and then space. And then after those quotation marks, we're going to do a space and then plus and then name. So when we run that, it's going to say, what is your name? You're going to put something in. You're going to press enter, and it'll say hello, and then we're going to do plus and then name. Because it's basically storing what you put in this variable right here called name. And then whatever, and if we put the variable right here, not in quotation marks, it's going to say whatever we put. So now if we run that, doesn't matter what we do. Let's do Bill. I'm going to say hello Bill. Let's try hello Bob. I'm Bob. Hello Bob. Works with anything. And if you don't want this press key to continue, you only have this if you're on Visual Studio or if you're like on Terminal or something, but below this hello, below this right here, we're going to put a print and just open and close parentheses. So now when we run that code, when we put in something, I'm just going to put in hi. It's going to say hello hi, and then there's going to be this right here. It won't have press any key to continue right there. It'll just have a blank line. That's what print open and close parentheses does. So, that's your first ever program, guys. And if you want to, we're going to put print and open and close brackets. And don't worry, guys, this is not the end of our tutorial. We're going to do some more stuff. We're going to make it ask you multiple questions. We're going to do that in the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask your name again. So name equals input. What? Oh. You guys can put whatever you want here. Just going to put what is your name. And And now we're going to do age equals input. We cannot use the same variable or it won't work. We'll have an error. So I'm going to show you guys that. But first, we are going to do this. You are age plus, let's do years old. Okay, boom. Now it's going to ask you 2 questions, and to make this a little better, we are going to put a print inside of here, and we are going to go down a little. You can put this wherever you want, but we're going to do import time, and then right here we're going to put time dot sleep, and let's do 1. So now it will take 1 second until it runs the rest of the code. So basically, now if we run that, so what is your name? I'm just going to do Joe. Oh. What is the problem there? Doesn't look like we have a problem. Let's try that again. Let's run it again. Oh, I see the problem. This import time has to be above it. So now it should work. We have fixed our problem. So now, Joe, hello Joe. It'll take a minute until it says how old I'm going to put 40, but I'm not 40. And it says you are 40 years old. We are going to go ahead and put a print. So now, when we put in Joe, and I'm just going to put in 90 when I'm not. Yeah, it has a space right here. An empty line. It just makes the code look a lot nicer. But, so that's some of the basics of Python. We're not going to do all of them in the same video. But that is the basics of Python. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys later. And bye. Oh, bye.